We usually focus on our body and jawline, but we often ignore one thing that instantly makes us look more attractive and strong: our neck. Here are two photos in front of you. If I ask which one looks better, most people will choose the second one because of Henry Cavill's wide neck. A strong and wide neck completely changes our overall look. It makes both our face and body look more balanced, while a thin neck makes the face look bigger and less attractive. So, I'm giving you a beginner-friendly roadmap. In just 7 days, we're going to bring a real change in our neck. Let's start. Step 1. Neck exercises. The first one is neck flexion and extension. Bend your head down and bring your chin to your chest. Slowly lift it up, then move your head backward as far as it feels comfortable, and return to normal position. Do this 15 times. This movement targets your front and back neck muscles. But bro, don't rush. Do it in smooth motion. Second, side-to-side movement. Slowly move your head left and right, 10 times on each side. This shapes your side neck muscles and keeps your neck balanced. Third is neck rotation. Rotate your head in a circular motion, clockwise and anti-clockwise, 10 times each direction. Neck rotation removes stiffness and increases blood circulation in the muscles. Fourth is isometric exercise. Put your hand on your forehead and push your head forward while resisting with your hand. That means your head will try to move forward, but your hand will stop it. You can do the same for the back and sides. This is a static exercise, but it activates your muscles a lot. Step 2. Diet and recovery. Bro, along with exercise, diet also matters. Neck muscles will grow only when your protein and hydration are right. So if you really want to transform your whole body into beast, you can watch my diet plan video, where I've explained a complete diet plan in the most effective and budget-friendly way. It's everything you need to turn your body into a transformation machine. Drink plenty of water and keep your muscles hydrated. Sleep 7 to 8 hours every night because that's when recovery happens. Reduce sugar and junk food because they cause swelling. Step 3. Lower body shape. Even if you've built a wide neck, without a strong, muscular body you'll never get that true beast look. The real transformation starts when your lower body matches your upper strength. That's where dominance begins. Watch my lower body workouts, link in description, before others get ahead of you. Step 4. Small habits. These small habits indirectly help neck growth a lot. First, fix your posture. Always sit straight with your shoulders back. Second, don't look down at your phone. This is called tech neck syndrome, and we must avoid it. Third, stretching. After every workout, do a little stretching. You'll get better results. If this video helped you even a little, make sure to subscribe. Keep smiling, keep glowing. And if you want part 2 for the advanced neck workout to build an ultra-wide, muscular, and powerful neck that give attractive look, drop a comment saying part 2. I'll drop that video soon.